Hello everyone, this is Sudhir. Welcome back to my class. In this class, we are going to learn about sets. That is introduction part of the sets and how to write a roster form, set builder form. That is completely basic concepts and first exercise from the chapter. Okay, so very interesting and very easy topic. What is sets? A set is a well-defined collection of distinct objects. The objects in the sets are called elements. Okay, so just before what I gave, it is just a examples. Okay, what are the daily life example for the sets? Now when it comes to the subject, set is a well-defined collection of distinct object. What is the meaning of this well-defined? Means we have a proper name for that, like how real number classes or sets classes or statistics classes, how we separate it, like that. When it comes to your class also, so set of the boys in the classroom or set of the girls in the classroom, okay, or set of the natural numbers, set of the whole numbers. So we have one particular name for that. That is a well-defined collection of object. Okay, so you can see here what is well-defined definition, and these all sets we can write in curly bracket or brace we call it is. So how to write? For example, set of whole numbers, if I want to write, I can go with like 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma so on. This is one set, that is called set of whole numbers, right? And set of natural numbers, how to write? Start with 1 comma 2 comma 3 so on, like this. And you can see here these all are called elements. Okay, so this one called elements. So that what here mentioned there, the objects in the sets are called elements. So I repeat once again, set is well-defined collection of object. What is the well-defined mean? Well-defined mean a particular name. For example, what are the topmost cricketers in India? Topmost cricketers in India, or list out 10 topmost cricketers in India means different persons. You can think in different. When I ask this question, in your mind, the first person has selected some different person has the different names. Like some members can like Dhoni, some members can like Rohit Sharma, some members can like Virat Kohli, and some members can like Sachin Tendulkar or Saurav Ganguly. So like this different persons, right? So top 10 cricketers. Top 10 cricketers mean different persons having different ideas or different opinion. Am I right? This is not a well-defined. For example, so in your class there are total 25 boys are there or 25 girls are there. So select top 3 talented girls names in the class mean we can't select that because the different persons having the different opinion. For example, as a teacher, if I select 3 boys names, some X, Y, Z are the 3 boys names, then what the other people can think? Sir is showing the partiality, so that Sir has selected the 3. Why can't we are the talented person? Am I right? So this is not a well-defined. Well-defined mean everybody should accept it. Okay, so let us try to answer my question. List of the days in a week. So everybody can write Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Everybody can say this. Am I right? Then everybody should accept it. So this is the set of the week. Okay, and set of the months in a year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Everybody should accept it so that it is a well-defined. Okay, so give me the top most 3 talented writers from India. No. 3 most talented actors from India. No, because different persons having the different opinion. Am I right? So it is not a well-defined. So I hope you got a clear idea about what is well-defined with what is not well-defined. Okay, now these are elements. For example, the list of the week, when we are writing, we write here just first letter I'm writing. Okay, Sunday, S, Monday, M, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Okay, so full form I didn't write, just I had written here the first letter. Okay, so these all are called elements. Generally Set is always written by the capital letters. Set always written by the capital letters. Element should written with a small letters, but here just weeks starting letter I have taken, so that I have used here capital. Generally we can write small letters in the brace brackets. Okay, so that means curly bracket. So here curly brackets are compulsory. If you not using this curly bracket, we can't call it is a set. So set means sets are written by enclosing all its elements between the bracket. So what type of bracket? Curly brackets. Okay, like this. And these brackets are called braces or curly brackets. And generally we call some cases like flower brackets also. Okay, so sets are generally denoted by the capital English letters. Okay, like capital N, set of natural, capital W, sorry, this is capital W, set of natural whole number. This is capital N, set of natural numbers. So this is what all about set. And the next one, yeah, again definition here, set is a well-defined collection of distinct objects. So you understood now what is a well-defined. The objects in a set are called elements. Yes, we have discussed it. And you see some examples here, the set of the natural number, how to write. And the letters in the word mathematics. What are the letters are there in the word mathematics? So something, a capital letter I have used it to denote this. And the letter we have in this M, A, T, H, E, I, C, S. Did you find out here? One important point, that is repeated letters I did not use. That means here we have M and here also M, but I have written only one M. Yes, we should write only one letter. Here we have A, here also A 2 times, but I wrote only one. And even T we have 1, 2 times, but I wrote only one. And H here, yes, H, E written, I, yes, I, C, yes, got it. So repeated letters should write only one time. That is means in the set form when we are writing, so we should write only one time. Next example you can see here in the blue color, we have set of the planets in the solar system, that is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These all are the set of planets in the solar system, right? Because everybody should accept it. And set of vowel means A, E, I, O, U. It should be accept everybody, right? The person who doesn't know what are the vowels in the set, then the person can say wrong, definitely. I'm not saying about that. Vowel means when an educated person is there, so everybody should accept it. Then only it is a well defined. Okay. The first 5 cubic numbers. Cubic numbers means no. What is 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. That means 3 into 3 into 3, right? 4 cube is 64. And 5 cube is 125. 5 into 5 into 5, 125. So first to 5 only they asked. Yes, first to 5 written here. And the set is denoted by the capital letters, and here these are called elements. Okay, so what is the Ramanujam number? 1729, correct? Ramanujam number 1729. What are the numbers are there in Ramanujam, or what are the digit, the set of the digit? Set of the digits. Set mean curly brackets are compulsory. Okay, and the digits are 1, 2, 7, 9. Here the commas, it's separated by using commas. Okay, so this is the example for the set. Roster form. So what is a roster form mean? Listing the elements of a set inside a pair of brace. Okay, inside the pair of brace. Brace means understand a curly bracket. Okay, is called the roster form. Listing the element a set inside the pair of the brace. That means 2 examples are given here. You see, let A be the set of the even natural number less than 11. Even natural number less than 11 means that definitely 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Got it? And second example, x A is equal to x such that x is an integer -1 less than or equal to x less than 5. That means it should be a more than -1, but it should be a less than 5. That means, and even we should take here equal to. That means you can observe here less than or equal to symbol here means -1 are equal to -1 or more than -1. So that's the meaning of x here. Okay, so -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, but it should be less than 5, not 5. Okay, so this is the roster form of this one, and what we call this is called a set builder form. Set builder form. Okay, and what we written here, this is called roster form. Set builder form and roster form. Okay, so this one, the symbol is called such that, and sometimes we write like this also, s x such that x. Okay, right. So this is the about roster form, and next we will discuss set builder form. What is the set builder form here? So set builder notation is a notation for describing a set by indicating the properties that the member must satisfy. So based on the property, and reading notation, you can use this one or this one. That means just before I shown you. So when we have written like this, so it is x such that x, or we write x such that x. So we can use either this symbol or this symbol. So these both are same. It's not an issue, the symbol what you are using here, either this one or this one. Okay, and we called it is such that. While we are reading, we called it is such that. That means you see here one of the example, I'm going to read this. A is equal to x such that x is a letter in the word dictionary. Okay, x such that x is a letter in the word dictionary. That means we read this one. A is, that means A equal to, we have taken A is the set here. Okay, A is the set of all x such that x is letter in the word dictionary. Okay, so we read like this, and for them some examples are there here. You can see set of the natural number. Okay, A is the set of the natural number, x such that x is the natural number here. Okay, and this one, x such that x is the prime number less than 100. This is you know what is a prime number less than 100? We write like 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma so on, like this if you write, and this is called roster form. If you write like this, this is called the roster form, and based on the property, just one simple word we have used, that is a prime number less than 100. Okay, prime number less than 100. This is the set builder form, and you see some more examples. That means odd natural number less than 10. Okay, that means we write here 1 3 5 7 9. If I use for this curly bracket, okay, now this is a set and this is called a roster form. And if I write here like this, x such that x is a odd natural number less than 10, then it become a set builder form. This is the first one is set builder form, and this is roster form. Okay, next example here, x such that x is a letter in the English alphabet. Yeah, English alphabet mean, that mean you know what is that? English alphabet letter mean, if I want to write this one in the roster form, I can write A, B, C, so on up to Z. Okay, like this. So here we are going to see examples on roster form and set builder form, right? So what are that example? Right. So match the roster form with the set builder form. Principle is the roster form. For this set builder form, what are the set builder form? You can see here this one, because already we have discussed in the letter principle. Okay, the repeated letter should not take only once, that is only one P has used here, or yes, R used. So like that. So this is the matching with, and this is called the roster form, and this one is the set builder form. Got it? Just 0 given, 0, and this is, we can match with this one, because x plus 1 equal to 1 given, x plus 1 equal to 1. So what is the value of x? In the place of x, if you take 0 plus 1, that is equal to 1, correct? If 0 plus 1, that is equal to 1, then only 1 equal to 1, then the both will get equal. That means what is the value of x here? 0. So you can match this both. Next, 1 2 3 6 9 8. What is this? 1 2 3 6 9 8, and you can see here the remaining in the set builder form positive integers and divisors of 18. Yes, this is the positive integer and divisors of 18. And one more here, x square minus 9 equal to 0 is there. We write x square minus 9 equal to 0, right? Then x square equal to plus 9, x is equal to plus or minus root 9. While we are writing root, we should use plus or minus both. So then x is equal to, we get plus or minus, what is the value of 9? That is 3. So plus 3 and minus 3. So this one we can match with this. Okay, this is all about set builder form and roster form. Yes, here is the first exercise, the question. Which of the following sets are sets? Justify your answer. So here we have the first question, the collection of all months of year being with the letter J. So what we have, the letter J, that means J for January. Okay, January. Next J for June and J for July. Okay, so we can write the 3 here so that it is set. So your answer is here, yes. And next one, the collection of 10 most talented writers in India. No, it is not a set because it is not a well-defined collection of objects. Already we have discussed 10 most talented writers of India mean the different persons having the different opinions. So then it is not a well-defined object, so that it is not a set. Next one, a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. No, this one also not a well-defined. If it is not a well-defined, it is not a set. Collection of all boys in your class. All boys in your class. How many boys are there? That all the boys list. Okay, so then it is yes, because it is well-defined collection of object, so that it is set. Collection of all even integer. Yes, all even integer. That means 2, 4, 6, 8, so on, like this we write. Everybody should accept it. So then it is a well-defined collection of object, then it is set. So this is all about the first Roman. But how to write this one? So justify your answer here given. So justify your answer given here. That means just now what I explained you in the word form, now we'll share with you in the text form, right? You can see here. And you can go through this all the questions. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, just before what we have discussed. Go through this, or if you want to take a screenshot and then read these all the points, right? So why some questions are why it is set, some questions are why it is not set. It's very clear here, right? You can go through this all the questions, right? Next one. If A equal to 0, 2, 4, 6, observe here, A equal to given 0, 2, 4, 6, B equal to given 3, 5, 7, C equal to P, Q, R. Then fill the appropriate symbol, that means either belongs or does not belongs in the blank. Belongs means this symbol is belongs, and this symbol is doesn't belongs. Okay, so you know very well what is the meaning of belongs and what is the meaning of does not belongs. Okay, so this belongs to symbols I am going to use with red color, does not belongs I am going to use with blue color. Don't get any confused here. First one, 0 dash A. 0 is an element, it is belongs to set A, so that belongs. 3C, 3 is an element you can't find out in this set, so that it is does not belongs. 4 in B, yes, in the set B there is no 4 here, so that it is does not belongs. And 8 is belongs to A. No, 8 does not belongs to A, so that does not belongs. What about P? Yes, P is there in the set C, so that it is belongs. Similarly, 7 in the B, yes, 7 is there in the set B, so that this is belongs. Okay, so belongs and does not belongs. So next question, question number 3. The element, so we should write express the following statement using symbol. Now here statement form has given, we should write in symbolic form. Okay, the element X does not belongs to A. How we write it? Element X does not belongs to A. D is an element of the set B. So how we write? B equal to the set, we write D. D is an element of the set B means yes, B is equal to set of D. 1 belongs to the natural number n. Yes, 1 is belongs to natural number n. So this is the answer. 8 does not belong to the set of prime number P. Yes, 8 does not belongs to set of the prime number P. Okay. So, and one more thing we write here, D is an element of the set B mean we write like this also, D is belongs to B. So we write either first one or second one. So anything we write here. Next one, state whether the following statements are true or false. 5 does not belongs to prime number. This is false. This is false because 5 is a prime number. Correct? In the list of the prime number we write like 2, 3, 5, 7. So 5 is the prime number. And here given 5, 6, 7 implies 8. Implies 8 belongs to S. So that means if S is in the set of S, 5, 6, 7 only 3 elements are there. But how 8 is belongs to S? So this is wrong. So that it is false. Minus 5 does not belongs to whole number. This is true because whole numbers are started with 0 like 0, 1, 2, 3, so on like this. But negative number you can't find out in the set of whole number, so that it is false statement. So minus 5 does not belongs to whole number given. That's why it is true. Okay. So 8 by 11. This is in the form of P by Q. P by Q numbers are called rational numbers, right? But Z is the integer. Z is the integer. How 8 by 11 is belongs to integer? Integer mean we have like positive number, negative number, 0. That's it. Not in the fraction form or not in the decimal form. Those are rational number. But here given it is integer, so that it is false statement. Okay. And the next one. Yeah. Question number 5 here. Again, very, very, very important. Write the following set in the roster form. You know how to write this one in the roster form? B is equal to, okay, because here B they give, so that B is equal to, what is the question? Natural number less than 6. Mean what you take? Natural number begin with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Second question. X such that X is the 2-digit natural number. Don't forget it is 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digit is 8. 2-digit natural number, but the sum of its digit is 8 they give. That means what we take? 70 because 1 plus 7, 8. 26, 35, 44, 53, 62, 71 and 80. That's it. These are the numbers. By adding the 2 digits you get 8. Okay. Next, the prime numbers which divisors of 60. This is very, very important. Very, very important. So generally divisors of 60 mean, here I am writing all the factors of 60. 60 we write 160s are 60 and 2 30s, 3 20s, 4 15s, 5 12s, similarly 6 10s. That's it. Okay. 7 8 9 you can't divide, again 10 6 12 5, okay, 15 4s, 23s and 32 61. It should be repeated. But in this what they are asking only prime numbers. Okay, prime numbers mean no, 2 is the prime number in this, 3 is a prime number and 5 is the prime number. Remaining numbers are not a prime number. So what you write the answer? Just first keep a flower bracket or curly bracket and you write here 2 comma 3 comma 5. Okay, so very, very important question for a very short answer this question. And the next one given, set the set of all letters in the word better. In the word better, the letters mean what you write. Don't forget to write here this one set D. This one also compulsory. Okay, here it is C equal to. Now this is E. E equal to set up the letters in the word better. Better means B is there, E is there, T and R. Only 4 letters. The 4 letters only used in this letter better. Okay. So this is about a roster form. How actually these all are, these all are called set builder forms. Just they have used one property. Okay. From that we have written some elements. So this is the roster form. And here is the question number 6. Given all our roster form, we should write in set builder form. This is the most important for board exams. Very, very, very important. Okay. So how to write this one? You see, these all are having a common property, that is all are multiples of 3. But the multiples of 3 is there up to 4. Like you see, 3 ones are 3. First one, second one 3 twos are 6. Okay, third one 3 threes are 9. That means this one 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, and the next one 3 fours are 12. Okay, 3 fours are 12. So how to write this one in the set builder form? Just write curly bracket, and in this you write x such that x is equal to multiples of 3. That means that multiples of 3 is something we are going to take like 3 something n, 3n, small n. Okay, what is n here? Give a comma here. And what is n? N is started with 1. You observe in this, n is started with here 1 2 3 4 like this. Okay, this is n here. So that n belongs to capital N, means natural numbers. Up to where that n we take? That n we should take less than or equal to 4. Less than or equal to 4, because up to 4 is there. So up to 4 or less than 4 you can take. That's the meaning of this one. So this one we write in another form, that is same, x such that x is equal to 3n. Okay, and n belongs to capital N, and n less than 5. Like this also we can write. N less than 5 means you should not include 5, just less than 5 we should take. Okay, so this is another answer. Actually we write here x such that x is the multiple of 3 less than 4. Like that also can write. I repeat, x such that x is the multiple of 3 less than 12. Sorry, less than like 13 or 14 or 15. So less than 15, multiples of 3 means we write 3, 6, 9 and 12. So like that also we can write, but better you can go with this model. This is very easy model and some safe side to get the score. Okay, and next question you see here, 2 4 6 8 2 4 8 16 32. So better we write in the next page. Here they gave 2 4 8 16 and 32. Do you know what is a common property in this? These all are 2 power 1 is 2, 2 power 2 is 4. That means the next number. Okay, 8 mean we write 2 to the power of 3 8, and 2 to the power of 4 16. So 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 32. So then how to write this? We write x such that x is equal to what? This is 2 to the power of n, and you observe, and we started with the natural number like 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so n is, what is n? N is belongs to capital N, natural number, up to where we are writing less than or equal to 5. That's it. Or we write another answer here. Instead of this one we write just n less than 6. Okay, we can write either this one or this one also. Okay, so this is the model for second one. And what is the third question they gave? 5 25 125 625. Okay, so just we write here 5 25 125 and 625. Okay, so what are these all? This is 5 power 1, 5 power 1, 5 power 2, 5 power 3, 5 power 4. Then how to write this? X such that x is equal to, this is 5 power n. What is n? Natural number. Up to where? Less than or equal to 4. Because 5 power, this value is 5 to the power of 4 is equal to 625. Like this. Got it? And next one, 149 25 100, very important, very important. Okay, 1 4 9 16 so on 100. What are these all are like 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, so on 10 square is 100. You know what is a common property here? That power 2 is the common, it doesn't change. Power 2 doesn't change, but bases are there here like 1, 2, 3, so on 10. This number has changed. So then how to write this? This one we write like x such that x is equal to n square. Bases changed here. What is n? N started with n, so that natural number up to 10 taken here, right? That's it. Very simple. Very simple. So this is the model to write roster form. So is there any question? Once we can check it. No, everything is finished in this, and we'll go with the next problem. Right. List all the elements of the following set in the roster form. So again we should write in the roster form. So you can try this question. A equal to given x such that x is the natural number, greater than 50, less than 100. Greater than 50 means 51, 52, so on 100, like this. So this is the roster form of the given question. Second question, x square equal to 4 given. So here I am doing x square equal to 4 mean we have x is equal to plus or minus root 4. This square become here root, then it is plus or minus 2. Okay, so then here we write answer plus 2 minus 2. This is the answer for this question. And the letter in the word loyal. So what are the letter we can find here? That is D equal to L, O, Y, A. Okay, so these are the roster form of the given set builder form. And the next question, here they are asking match the roster form with the set builder form. Okay, so better we'll go with this one. Okay, so prime number and divisors of 6. So before we have discussed the prime number and divisors of 6 mean that is 2, 3, because 2, 3 prime number as well as it is divisor of 6, means it should be divisible. And the second question, the odd natural number less than 10. Odd natural number less than 10 is this one, right? For this one you can match. And third question, x such that x is the natural number and the divisor of 6. It should be a natural number and it should be divisor of 6. Okay, that means this one we can match. But in this question they asked a prime number, so that I have selected only prime number. The first two question they asked a prime number, then I have selected only prime number 2, 3. Don't get any confused. And the next one is this one, that is a mathematics. What the letters are there you can find out. So this is all about from today's what is set and what is a well defined and what is the roster form and what is a set builder form. That is completely first exercise concept. So that's it for today. So in the next class we will discuss about what is the operations on sets, that mean union, intersection, what are the different type of sets. We have very important class, it is, don't miss it. Very important class, what are the different type of sets, and that second exercise is very important for the board examination. Almost all the sections questions will ask from board examination, but here set builder form also is very important. Okay, so that's it for today. So if you like this class, please press the like button, and if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Okay, and share it with your friends. So this is Sudhir, thanks for watching, see you soon.